First, fold your fabric in half and pin right sides together. My fabric measures 5 inches by 23 inches. Sew a straight stitch down. Now, take the top layer and fold it into the center, just to move it out of the way. Now fold the bottom layer and pin the edges together. We're going to start sewing the seam together, creating the tube. It's important to keep the top layer in the center so that we aren't accidentally stitching on top of it. When you get to the end, keep your presser foot down and needle down. Start pulling the inside fabric out and continue to pin and sew only the outer edges. Repeat this step about 4 times. Stop a couple inches before you return back to the start of your stitches. We need to leave a gap open so that we're able to turn our fabric right side out and feed the elastic into it. Flip the tube right side out. Take a 8-inch piece of 1/4 inch elastic and pin safety pins to both ends. Pin one side to the fabric just to hold it in place, and use the other end to feed the elastic through the tube. Once it reaches the end of the tunnel, tie the 2 elastic ends together into a knot. Okay, now we can close the hole. I like to pin the beginning and the end of the hole closed. And then sew down as close to the edge as possible. And voila, you're done. Thank you for watching my super simple tutorial, and make sure to subscribe because I plan to make more videos on how to make clothing. So yeah, thank you, bye.